Good morning, everybody. Stella Jane Penn in the house from SRP V8 Diamonds Mastery. Today I'm going to be talking to you about the Trader 250 account, a 250k funded trader, and how you can get funded using these simple maths and also moving forward once you have a paid account, potential things you could look at monthly, giving yourself monthly targets to assist so you don't become overwhelmed, and just always be looking at that 1-to-3, 1-to-5 high risk to reward ratio. Of course, we are all aiming for those types of things, but if you just break it down for yourself, and I'm going to be going through the 250k account with some simple maths like I did with each of the accounts I have been funded on. This is one of my favorites and personal accounts that I like to work with. I have numerous amounts of them, but let's go through the figures with you. So a 250k account. Okay, now let's work on 5%. That would be 12,500 monthly target. 10%, 25,000 monthly target, and 15%, 37,500 monthly target. Okay. Now, if we break this down into days, I've added 10 days because once you have a paid account, then you are looking at every 10 days again that you are able to take a payment. Okay. And also, if you're compounding, again, look at these numbers frequently and just recalculate on your account balance. Okay, but let's start with 250k account. 10 days working on that 5% monthly target of 12,500 is 1,250. 20 days, 625. 30 days. Now 30 days is 416.67. Now I put the 30 days. Although we don't have 30 days of weekly days, what we do have is 30 days in a month. So if you were working on the 10-day perhaps, or the 20, and let's just say you wasn't where you wanted to be after your 20 days, then that 30 days enables you to get back on track. Okay, so you make up the days that are needed for you to still be able to achieve that 30-day daily target. Okay, I'm showing these in dollars and pounds. It doesn't matter what your currency. We all start with a 250k account balance. Okay, and they are the daily numbers on 10 days, 20 days, and 30 days on a 5% monthly 12.5k target. Then we'll look at 10%, 25,000 monthly target on our 250k account when we start. 10 days, 2,500 daily target. 20 days, 1,250 daily target. Again, look at then your 30 days, 833 daily target. Make sure you're keeping track of where you are in the month, what you set yourself, whether that be 5%, 10%, and keep yourself accountable. And this is a way to keep tracking where you are with your account. And finally, I'm going to go through a 15% monthly target, 37,500. Okay. 10 days, 3,750 daily target. 20 days, 1,875 daily target. 30 days, make sure, recalculate, see where you are, 1,250 daily target. Okay, and if you are compounding an account, if you have a paid account, obviously your account balance is going to be compounding and growing. That is our aim. Okay, so just keep looking at the numbers and recalculating, but this is where you start. Good luck with your 250 account, either challenge or as a 250k funded trader.